Have you ever wanted to say support in Igbo language, but you don't know how to say it? You've wanted to ask your Igbo friends to support you, but you don't know how to say, please support me. Or are you among those that say, Hanyerem support? Acharam support. No. You kept on saying support in English. You don't know how to say it in Igbo. This video is for you. Welcome. No, Ahambonyan Kuzi Adora. My name is supportụọ Adora. Today I will teach you how to say support in Igbo language. So, support is kwado as a verb. Kwado. Then as a noun, it is nkwado. Nkwado. Let's make two sentences with the verb kwado. You want to ask your Igbo friend to support you or support what you are doing. You say, biko kwadom. Biko kwadom. That is, please support me. Now, you want to say, I want you all to support me. I want you all to support me. You say, achorom kunu nile kwadom. Achorom kunu nile kwadom. Now, let's make two sentences with the noun, nkwado. You want to say that their support amazed you. You say, nkwado ha turum n'anya. Nkwado ha turum n'anya. You want to say that they gave you support when you were in school. They gave you support when you were in school. You say, ha nyere m nkwado mgbe m nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ha nyere m nkwado mgbe m na-agụ akwụkwọ. These two sentences are saying the same thing. When you were a student, they supported you. Please, I don't want you to say supportụọ biko achọrọ m support unu. You say biko achọrọ m nkwado unu. Yes. Please, for you that want to ask your friends, maybe you are a content creator like me, you want to ask people to support you. You say biko. Please, biko kwadonum. Biko achọrọ m nkwado unu. I want your support. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you in my next video.